We are pleased to show you
The 2013 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.